Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has detailed Saleng's pattern of absence since January 2026, saying that the team can't rely on him despite offering him support. Here is what Miguel Cardoso said regarding Monapule Saleng. He says, "It was never a coach issue. He was always a player we gave a lot of effort. We tried to push him so much towards the group, towards the dynamic of the group, towards the behaviors that a professional player has to have, the mental stability that a professional player has to have. But inside the group, we have no issues. We have a lot of understanding about what are the rules, and our locker room has rules. The players establish those and relate, and when a player systematically breaks this kind of things towards the teammates, towards the coaches, towards the club, we don't know what we can count on. So there's a moment where we say, how can we count on something? What is he gonna do? Imagine you train all week, normal, and then you put his name on the list, and the day we are waiting for him in the bus, he just doesn't appear. So these things did not happen once, did not happen twice, 3, 4 times, being the last to arrive and the first to go away. Those are the words of Miguel Cardoso. So he says that Monapule Saleng broke a lot of rules, and he says that he would train normal the whole week. However, and when the time comes when he is there on the list of players who are traveling for the match, they say he just doesn't appear. He says it doesn't happen once, twice, or 3 times. It's been happening for so many times. He says that he's the last one to arrive. However, he's the first one to go. However, Monapule Saleng's agent, Karabo Matang Chabose of P Management Sports, said this regarding the player situation. "I think there's a welfare issue that I can't put my finger on, but I'm not going to leave my client at that stage. We'll walk through it with him and try and get him support. And I think that Sundowns is professional enough to call it what it is, to say there's an issue there. You heard the coach come out and say it, but I think that they are also kind enough to give him space to try and see how he can recuperate back into the fold of a professional high-performing player when the psychological safety of an individual, and I can see that it's a long-standing issue. It manifests itself first at Pirates. It continued at Orbit. He started off well with Sundowns, but there's something there, and I'm not qualified to diagnose it. What I can do is to call for help. I can cry for help. I can work with my client for that help. But it's up to him to say, let's take it." That's what Monapule Saleng's agent said regarding the issue. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think is really going on with Monapule Saleng? Hopefully, whatever he's going through, the team and the people around him will help him to get through this issue and come back and do what he does best, which is to perform on the field of play. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.